these are some of the final products made by our students. So you can see some other rough products that we're doing. The calculations, and you'll see, and you relate different materials. How does aluminum compare to steel? How do polymers compare to ceramics? We have a tensile machine right here, which rips apart the metal to examine its properties and its grain structure. They rip apart a bar like this of aluminum, which are bricks at about 2,000 pounds of pressure. Steel will break at around 11,000 pounds. We also have some toughness testers, this is a toughness tester, in which a material is placed down here inside of this groove, and this hammer comes down to measure the toughness. And what you'll also do, after you view the properties of the materials, you'll say, okay, what was a good application for this material, if there was an application for it? And you'll do a paper on that, your laboratory report. All laboratories in this department are 50% lab, 50% theory. I'll go through this. Excuse me. Take time. So this is the mechanical. Do you have any questions? Anybody? Testing laboratory. We do everything here without breaking the material to examine its properties, whether it be X-rays, ultrasonic inspection, eddy current. The teacher is a certified radiation safety inspector. You have to pass a safety quiz. We have never had a radiation problem. You examine X-rays, learn how to interpret them. You have some microscopy. Magnetic particle. These are some samples that some students are currently working on that aren't completed yet. What you'll do is encase a sample inside of an epoxy, and you'll examine its structures through a microscope. We actually have a scanning electron microscope, which is a microscope where you cover a material in a type of metal such as gold, and it fires electrons around it, and you can magnify to 250,000 times magnification. And we're the only high school in the nation to have a scanning electron microscope. So all about structures of materials and metals, you interpret the structure, and we're going to try to put it through the Patent Office of the United States and get it patented. So the properties are still under investigation of that plastic, but we know it's a new idea of synthesizing plastic materials. This is the first semester of your senior year, which I'm doing right now. So you qualitative analysis, which is what type of material that is. You see we interpret the spectrums through using these graphs. And any material can be put through these, and if you know how to interpret the radiographs, you'll be able to view what type of material is present. This is very heavy part of your grade, and this is also mainly done in the university, but we do it here in high school. Anybody have any questions? This is one of the you might get lost. Yeah, that's what I was saying. Yeah. You might get